Have you ever promised yourself, this month I'm finally going to save money? You mean it. You even feel motivated. But somehow, by the end of the month, there's nothing left to save. So you tell yourself, maybe next month. And the cycle repeats. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The truth is, most people don't fail to save money because they're irresponsible. They fail because they save in the wrong order. Think about how most people handle their paycheck. Money comes in, they pay rent, bills, food, subscriptions, shopping, entertainment, coffee. Then they look at what's left and say, I'll save whatever remains. But here's the problem. There's almost never anything left. Saving what's left over doesn't work, because spending always expands to fill the space available. Instead, try reversing the order. The moment your paycheck arrives, pay your future self first. Even if it's only $10, $20, or 1% of your income. The amount isn't what matters. The habit is. There's another reason saving feels impossible. Your brain loves immediate rewards. Saving money gives you almost no excitement today. Buying something new? That feels good immediately. Your brain naturally chooses the instant reward. Not because you're weak, but because that's how human brains evolved. Thousands of years ago, there was no reason to save food for an online shopping sale. Humans evolved to grab opportunities while they existed. Modern life hasn't changed our brains, only our environment. Then there are invisible leaks. Subscriptions, food delivery, impulse purchases, tiny daily expenses. Each one seems harmless, $5 here, $10 there, but over a year, those tiny purchases quietly become thousands. Here's a simple exercise. Look at your bank statement from the last 30 days. Don't judge yourself, just look. You'll probably find at least 3 things you completely forgot buying. That's normal. Awareness is the first step. Another mistake? People think saving requires huge sacrifices. It doesn't. You don't have to stop enjoying life, you just need to spend intentionally. There's a big difference. Buying something because it truly improves your life is completely different from buying something because you're bored. One creates value, the other creates clutter. And here's something nobody talks about. Saving money isn't really about money. It's about buying freedom. Every dollar you save gives future you more choices. The ability to leave a job you hate, handle emergencies, sleep better at night. Freedom isn't built overnight. It's built one small decision at a time. So here's the challenge. This week, before buying anything you don't absolutely need, wait 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow, buy it. If you forget about it, you probably never needed it. You'd be amazed how much money stays in your account, not because you earned more, but because you became more intentional. Remember, rich people don't save because they have money. Many have money because they learn to save. Small habits, repeated consistently, always beat big promises. If this video helped you think differently, welcome to MindSketch, where simple drawings explain the hidden psychology behind everyday life.